Let's see how warm it gets. We're off to the gym this morning. It's just gone 7 and it's bloody freezing. Oh. It's not stopping at the moment. I know. It's working all right. Should have switched on a bit sooner. It's still frozen. What are we doing? Going in the front. Okay. Right. Oh, it's getting warm. Definitely should have started up, but look at this. It's not on the inside, it's on the outside. Holy, it's a bit chilly this morning. Have to wait a bit. Still not ready yet. There we go. So what I'm doing, I'm driving. No, my phone is held on my chest. I'm driving with the diesel heater on, try to test that out, and then when we get there, I'm going to put it down to its minimum, train for about an hour and a quarter, hour and a half, come back in, and hopefully the heat's still going and the van will be nice and warm. That's the general idea. That's the test today anyway. A bit later than I hope, but never mind. Right. So you can hear that. So it's still going. Let's go and drop her down to the lowest setting, train, shower, and then see if this, hopefully this thing's still nice and warm when we get back here. Hold on one sec. Oh, it is warm in here. Okay. Put on. Wait for that to calm down a bit. There she goes. Oh, that's nice and warm. It's only a 2 kilowatt heater. Sorry, no light on there. Yeah. So it's only a 2 kilowatt, which I think you've seen fitted in the previous video. Let's see if she's still running when I come out. That should be quieter. We'll have a look how quiet it is outside in a sec. There you go. You can still hear that, can't you? That's the quiet pump. I've ordered a box, so I'm going to have a go at fitting it into a waterproof electric box. I'll do a video on that, and then we'll do another test. I'll insulate it and see how quiet we can get this. Alright, that's one of the other ideas I've got to do. Let's nip outside, lock up. Oh, I've got to get my bag. Okay, so it's past. It sounds like she's still running. Woohoo! Let's get the keys. Oh, that's nice. That is lovely in here. It's just right. I mean, if you were overnight, that'd be lovely. That's very comfortable temperature, and it's still freezing out. I think it's -3. Well, there we go. Just a quick test on the heater. Will it work as you're driving along? Of course it will. It should do, unless the exhaust faces the other way, which could blow it out if the wind is going up the exhaust. Any smell? No, there shouldn't be if it's been fitted correctly and all the pipes lead outside. I'll do an update on the van as well, because I've done quite a bit to it now. The drawers are going in, so we'll do that. I've got a step to go in, and I've got a swivel seat. I found a swivel base, and that's got to go in as well. And electrics. So if you want to follow the channel, please subscribe and like and share and all that stuff, and the notification bell, so the subscribe button there, and if you click on subscribe you'll be a notification bell. If you can click that, you'll be notified of any up and coming videos coming out, hopefully all interesting. Spring's on the way, so there'll be fishing, boating, everything we can think of. All right, take care, and we will definitely catch you in the next one. All the best.